Xiaomi went ahead and unveiled its premium flagship phone for 2024, and there is a new highly detailed teardown of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, courtesy of Wiki Home. While the 14 Ultra looks very similar to the predecessor, it boasts several internal changes. The new flagship boasts of a slightly larger motherboard casing. You can also get to see the new wireless charging coil, which now supports 80 watts for wireless fast charging, provided you have the right Xiaomi wireless charger. The inside part of the charging and NFC coil boasts of a larger heat dissipation filter. The newly updated camera sensors can be seen at 45-minute mark, followed by several samples showing at 4:30. The video provides to dive into the device, showing a showcase of all the key components, which is an interesting one. There seems to be no difference between the internals of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Xiaomi 13 Ultra.